everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. I'm a newbie adventure seeker, so if you're like me who loves the outdoors but aren't sure if this hike would be suitable for you, then keep on watching. Let us go back 10 years to 2012. This YouTube video surfaced and took us on an unforgettable GoPro journey hiking up the Haiku stairs, also known as the Stairways to Heaven. Whether or not that name came from the all-time favorite rock band Led Zeppelin, or it is simply a place of transformation, it is illegal.
You were going 115 miles per hour. I hope you have a good explanation.
Haiku in Hawaiian language means sharp break. Needless to explain, you will really be going to heaven if you take a wrong step on this hike. That is why they also made it illegal. As a newbie hiker, we didn't want to put ourselves in danger no matter how gorgeous the view was, so we did a little digging and asked around. Kuliouou Ridge hike seems to be close enough and giving us the same thrills. Magnificent view and heck of a workout. The trailhead is tucked away in the Kuliouou Valley just off the Kelaniana-Ole Highway. Even though there is no parking or entrance fees, there is a price you have to pay for the neighborhood. Respect for the environment and do not litter or go off trails. The trail starts at the end of the cul-de-sac where you will take the dirt path instead of the paved road to your left. The hike took us about 4.5 hours. I did not do my research before we start the hike. It actually felt longer than that for my body. The trail started off with a lot of switchbacks to ease you in on the elevation. Then it started to get slightly windy. If you know me, I love plants, and if you know Hawaii, monstera and giant pothos are native to the island. However, they are not on this trail. Instead, you'll find uluhe fern, pine trees, and ilima flowers. And as you trek through the forest, you'll feel like you're constantly being transformed into different worlds.
All of a sudden, the trees change, like the species. You see the trees? I think these are like pine trees. Because they have no leaf, because it's like needles. Colonized by the pine trees, and then the rest of the forest used to be these kind of trees. Like these kind of leaves. A little quick stop. John's carrying like 30 pounds of water and food, so we gotta kill it. And we stop at a tree trunk. Puppy. We stopped at a tree trunk and found mushrooms. How funny. Windy up here, so we think we're probably almost at the ridge of how do you pronounce this?
I don't know. Kuliouou Ridge hike.
Listen to the sound. Okay, we are supposedly 20 minutes away to the top. It's getting very tiring. And then again, the trees changed again. Now they look like these. So cute, there's so many of them.
After 2.5 hours, we finally reached the steps, where the trail ditched the switchbacks and presented us with the luxury of stairs. We were lucky to have the weather on our side. It was only windy without the rain. If it was rainy, the stairs would have been very slippery and muddy.
piece of these stairs. I think Hawaii is known for a bunch of stairs in the hiking trail, like the Kuliouou Ridge Trail, and obviously Stairways to Heaven. Everything is stairs. Oh no, what's this? Almost there. I don't even want to look down, it's so scary.
Really?
Yeah, it's so high up. I'm scared a little bit.
More stairs. More stairs.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I don't think I can walk tomorrow.
I think tomorrow.
The steps quickly brought us up to a whole new height, and when we finally broke through the thick clouds of trees, we summited!
It's the best sandwich ever.
Out here doing some time lapse for, I think that is, no, over there, that is Diamond Head, and this is like the east shore of Oahu, and I have my rice packed in the alley boba cup. We don't have any sealer or like clean wrap, so we just like stuff our tissue paper on top of it. Brought our own utensils here.
It's quite cold.
It's a little cold. Your goosebumps. So the hike took us about, how long? What time is it? 3 o'clock? 2 to 3 hours to come up here. And it's a lot of incline. John said it's kind of like the Burbank one, but I disagree. I think it's harder than the Burbank one. Hopefully it'll take us less than 3 hours to get down there. And we're gonna try to hold a GoPro to go down there so then we can see like a fast walkthrough of the trail. Enjoy the view.
As our journey is coming to an end, I just want to share something with you. Let's keep this in mind. Hawaii is a tropical island, so when you pack for the hike, remember to bring food, water, a lightweight jacket in case of rain, and for shoes, we recommend something with some kind of grip because it could be slippery. For me, I didn't know this would take such a toll on my knees, so I wish I had a pair of hiking sticks. But thanks to this YouTube thing, I was able to use my tripod.
Can I call your grandma Michelle? I need a walker for my girlfriend. Okay.
Even though I couldn't feel my legs at the end of the day, I highly recommend this hike because of the workout, the view, and best of all, immerse yourself in a classic Hawaiian forest. If you found this video to be useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it will help on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and come back for more travel content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.